Hello, we're learning to play the grade 3 scales and arpeggios. We're going to look now at the scales with flats. So the first one is the major scale with 3 flats, which actually starts on a flat. It's called E flat major. And one thing I haven't mentioned in the other 2 videos before is that all of these scales, you need to be able to play them forte or piano. So there's no in the middle, it's just loud or it's quiet. And they're all legato, smooth, and they're all hands together. There won't be any separate handwork. Having said that, all of these scales, we must learn to play them separate hands first of all, before we put them together. So, here's E flat major. Now we have a little sentence to remember the names and the order of the flats used in key signatures. And the one for the sharps was Father Christmas gave Dad an electric blanket. So F, C, G, D, A, E, B. The last 2 are white note sharps. And then we've got the reverse of that. That sentence backwards is B, E, A, D, G, C, F. And we have a way of remembering that order, which is blanket explodes and Dad gets cold feet. So we just need 3 of those flats, blanket explodes and B, E, and A flat. Now, this scale starts on a flat. So I've said before, and other people may disagree, but I am firmly of the opinion that if you're learning a scale that starts on a black note, learn the left hand first, it's easier. So here's E flat right down here. We're going to put our 3rd finger. Now, the other scale I've already done a video for was F sharp minor, which started there. That started on the 4th finger. So you really need to remember this now for the exam. F sharp minor starts on 4th, but E flat major starts on 3. And the other little thing everyone always forgets to do is, after the first 3 notes, the first turn is a 4. A lot of people go 3 and then 3 again, and then it all goes wrong. The other thing as well, because we're playing a flat there, the next note will not be E, because you can't have E flat and an E. The next note is F, like that. So here we go. So you go 3, 2, 1. So there's 1 flat. Now bring your 4 over and play the other 2 flats. A flat, B flat, then C, D. Then do it all again. 3, 2, 1, 4 over. And then at the end, now you could cross a 3, but normally we just cross a 2 because we're only just going to do that note and go back. Then that's not too difficult. I'll show you once more. Remember, you might want to go over it a few times before you do going back down. So you go 3, 2, 1, 4 over. 3, 2, 1, 4 over. E flat. Right. So let's look at going down. So you go E flat, thumb, white note, C. Now, the next thing is not B, B flat. E flat, A flat, thumb under. E flat, thumb under. 2 flats, thumb under. So you'll notice going back, there's this basic pattern of every time you've done the black notes, be it 1 black note or 2 black notes, you then take your thumb under. So here, 1 black note, thumb under. 2 black notes, thumb under. 1 black note, thumb under. 2 black notes, thumb under, and there we have it. So when we do the right hand, we're going to start on the 2 and straight onto the thumb. So you're going to go 2, thumb. Watch, you're going E flat F, not E flat E. E flat F. 1 more white note. Then the 2 black notes, take your thumb under. E flat on its own, thumb under to F. 2 black notes, thumb under onto C, and E flat at the top. Show you once more. 2nd finger starting the E flat. So you're going to go, oh, so we're right down here, aren't we? So 2, then your thumb onto F, white note. 2 black notes, thumb under onto C, another white note. E flat, thumb under, 2 white notes. 2 flats, thumb under, E flat. So let's just practice coming back down. It's a good idea sometimes just to start scales from the top and bring them back down a few times so that we can pick it up at the halfway point. So coming down, you go 3. Basically, it's going to be the opposite of what you did in the other hand. You know where you went 3, 2, 1, 4 over? You'll be doing the opposite. We do that coming the other way now, but with the other hand. 3, 2, 1, 4 over. 3, 2, 1, 4 over. And just finish on a 2. You could go 3, couldn't you? But you're not going any further, so just use the next available finger too. We're going to try and put this together. I would suggest that you don't try to put this together until you can do the hands separately. So go back and watch the first bit of this video as much as you need before attempting this next section. Okay, so here we go. 3 in the left hand, 2 in the right hand. Now the very first thing that's going to happen is you're going to bring your thumb under here onto the F. In the left hand, just go onto the F and walk up. So you go like that. There you go. See what we got? So we've got 2 there, thumb there. Now next note, it switches. So you've got thumb there, 2 there. I'll show you again. So 3, thumb under. A lot of people, I think, feel like they want to get the thumbs on the same note, and then it goes wrong. The thumbs aren't on the same note at this point. 3 there, 2 there. Thumb under, 2 at the bottom. Then it's the thumb at the bottom, 2 at the top. So we've done the 3, 2, 1. Bring a 4 over. Bring a thumb under. Keep going. And then at the halfway point, 3s on E flat. Let's try it again. So starting again. So we won't have 3s at the beginning because we're just going to use our second instead. So then the F. Then the G's. 4 over for this turn. Thumb under, keep going. Now we should have 3s in both hands. Then your thumb under here. Then your 4 over. Then your thumb under. And to finish, it would be 3 if you're carrying on, but you're just going to cross a 2. So let's have a look at it going back down now. If you need, just pause the video, go back, look over whatever you need. But if you're ready to have a go at coming down, let's try it going down, hands together. So remember we had 3 at the bottom and the 2 there, going like that. We're going to do the opposite. We're going to have 3 at the top and the 2 there with the thumb coming under. So we go thumb under. Make sure you haven't got, you've got the right notes, and that's a 2 and that's a thumb. Next note, now thumbs at the top, 2s at the bottom. Then you bring a 4 over, thumb under here, 3s, thumb under, 4 over, thumb under, so go back over that as many times as you need. Here is the final scale going up and down. So 3 at the bottom and 2 there. So it goes 3, thumb under, 4 over, thumb under, 3 over, thumb under, 4 over, thumb under, and just cross a 2. Back we go, thumb under, 4 at the top, thumb under, 3 over, thumb under, 4 over, under, and just the 2 at the end to cross. So there we have it. E flat major, 3 flats, B flat, E flat, A flat. Starts with 3rd finger in the left hand. So lots of work on that, and then you're ready to move on to the